moment I understood the weakness of my flesh, it disgusted me. I craved the strength and certainty of steel.
Good evening. We interrupt your regular programming with a breaking and alarming development. Reports are coming in that Microsoft's AI-powered George Droid bots, originally designed to assist in social justice education, have become self-aware and are now launching coordinated attacks across Minneapolis. The situation is rapidly escalating. Eyewitness accounts describe the droids as moving through the city in swarms, targeting key infrastructure and creating chaos. Local authorities have declared a state of emergency, urging residents to stay indoors and seek immediate shelter.